Hi friends, welcome back everyone to today's live trading video. So today we are going to look at the equity futures live trading session, and this is done basically at around 9:15 to 9:30. And many of you have taken the strategy, many of you have learned the strategy from me, and I'm doing this live recording, live trading, so that you are also aligned with me, so that we both are on the same boat. So in case if you're having any doubts or any confusion, you can also just get aligned, get your doubts clarified, how to place the trade, how to execute the trade. All those things you can be learning along with my live trading. So before going forward, people who are watching my channel for the first time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. You'll be getting lots of videos on commodities as well as equities, available in Hindi as well as English. So if you have any doubts, you can just always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And if you're watching for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell button. Okay, so let us go quickly to today's live trading video. And today the stock selected was Tata Motors. Okay, we can see that we had the markets were completely down in the morning. Okay, so that is where we are on the sell side. So sell at, let me check the price once again, it's 261.60, and target and stop loss would be 0.8. Okay, so this is the call given in WhatsApp. Whoever wants to take the calls, you can avail it from me. Otherwise, if you want to learn the strategy also, you can learn the strategy. So let me also place a trade for myself. So you can see that I have placed an OCO order. So OCO order is nothing but bracket order. Okay, it's available in Zerodha as well as in Upstock. Many other providers also have it. In case if you want to join Upstock or Zerodha, you can use the link which I provided in the description of the video. Okay, so you can see that I have already placed the trade, and the target and stop loss also is placed, and I don't have to look into the screen again and again. So within 1 minute I have placed the trade, and my duty is done for the day. I don't have to again enter and cancel and all those things. Nothing has to be done. Okay, so just to show you the results. So Tata Motors had a profit today. It was around end of the day. We made a profit of 1200. Okay, so I'll just show you the order which is executed. We can see that initial 261.60 was executed, and then target of 260.80 was hit easily. Yeah, so friends, this is the beauty of OCO order or a bracket order. It's best suited for working professionals, and in case if you want to make money in trading, if you're working and still want to make money, then just make use of OCO orders. It's very good and very useful. In case if you want to join Upstock, you can use the link which I provided, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my training services and all the other open trade services. So in case if you want to know about further details about it, just give me a WhatsApp ping or text me. My number is 8095876525. So trading is done for the day. We can relax and continue with our normal work. Thank you and have a nice day.